4 of October 2013. We talked yesterday about the S&P 500 at 1688 mark. Held support at the 50-day. Right now, resistance for the 20-day at 1688.39 with a 1686.63. 12:16 Eastern Time, 9:16 Arizona Mountain Time. So today, will we bust through the 20 or will it offer resistance? Only time will tell. And that 20 EMA is resistance until proven otherwise. Now, Monday, we might open up here. We found support for 2 days. Anything is possible. Let's look at our H-band first real quick. H-band. H-band is up for the day. Look at it on the daily. Support of the 8-day, resistance at 20, and it's got the 50 up above it. It is still on a parabolic sell. It held this trend line. This trend line goes out quite a ways. 1, 2, 3 touches over a 3-month period, 4-month period. Stochastics pointed up. RSI's turned up just a little bit, and we're above the 50, just barely at the 50-yard line. MACD will probably turn positive today, and I'd rather see this go up, get its parabolics buy, and then come back down and back test this on the other side of this line, and then we have a good chance of breaking through that. Okay, BAC. BAC showed a morning star pattern. Here's an evening star pattern, and it fell to a morning star pattern. It's better to look at this chart to see BAC. Have the right chart here, the daily. Okay, each candlestick represents a day. There's the evening star, morning star down here. We're still in this channel, and we're sitting right at the 8-day, looking for resistance at the 50 EMA. And then we have the 20, and then the SMA. Stochastics is positive. It looks like a little back test today. Still waiting for the MACD to confirm MACD. We're still under 50%. Earnings coming out around the 16th. So anything can happen. Boom, we just got filled on a 14 put for 2 cents. Sold it to open at 22 cents, so picked up 20 cents time premium times 10 contracts, 100 shares per contract, about $200. And why would I do that? It's a 14. It's going to expire today. Why take the chance? I mean, there's a good chance we're going to go up here and test this 50 EMA. I mean, that's the way it looks. But things have been so, well, they're always sporadic, so you take the money and run. The other way to have played this, and I still can do this, I can go back in the market. I was going to trade out of both of them at the same time, just using the sophisticated software of buying to close the 10 of the 14 puts that expired October 4th, and then selling to open next week's, and pick up 14 cents. And as a matter of fact, that's a put. That might be a good deal, is to go back in and grab those. See, I could have done it all at once here and then saved a little bit on commission, because originally I wanted 15 cents yesterday. And I still have a 14 call that will expire tomorrow. And I only have about 12 cents on that, so they'll call that away. Or I would go to this call here, 18 by 19. And what's this call? This call is 3 by 5, so I can pick up another 13 cents for next week. And that's the name of the game. Just keep writing the time premium, and you pick up $200, $300 here and there on different positions. And Time Premium erodes. It's a much more predictable way to carve out an income in the market, at least with my style of trading. There's many ways to trade. There are many styles. There's many ways to play tennis. There are many ways to race cars. You find a style, perfect it. Okay, I missed this trade. SDS short. Could have picked it up around here, 36, maybe 26. And then you could be out by the 36, 31. It will rise to resistance. The opposite is right here, Ultra Pro long S&P 500, which may fall to support 85.12. And the index is going to probably fall and hit our friend the Bollinger Bands. Now, this is just intraday stuff to play with to keep you amused. 14 call that will expire today is worth 0. It was just worth 1 penny, and now it's worth 0. The put is worth 0 because we're right in the middle. We're right in the middle. We're right on the 14. But the call, sell to open. So they're looking for 4 cents time premium, and the stock's trading at 14.01. So it's worth 1 penny to 0, and they're asking you to spend 4 cents for it. The put for next week is 18 by 19 with a net. You'd probably pick up 21s. Well, you'd have to do both of these at the same time. But if you just looked at it as selling to open 18 cents, what's it worth right now? It's worth 0. So you have 18 cents of time premium to erode over the weekend and into next week. And that's what's fun about time premium, as it erodes when the market is closed.